First, forget the basics. We're diving straight into crafting prompts that truly think less about describing what you want, and more about evoking the feeling and essence of your scene instead of a dog running in a park. Try a golden retriever's sheer joy unfurling across sun-drenched meadows, wind whipping through its fur with an almost palpable exuberance. The key here is sensory detail and emotional resonance. Inject adverbs and adjectives that paint a vivid picture, hinting at camera angles or lighting without explicitly stating them. For instance, using cinematic or golden hour glow can dramatically influence the output. Now, let's talk about fine-tuning. While direct parameter control in Sora might be limited for the end user, understanding how specificity impacts the AI is crucial if your initial generation isn't quite right. Don't just reprompt the same idea, reevaluate your wording. Did you imply a certain mood that wasn't captured? Was the pacing too fast or too slow? For example, if you want a sense of urgency, use words like frantic, desperate, or relentless. Conversely, for a calm scene, lean into serene, tranquil, or lethargic. Experiment with different phrasing, exploring the same core concept to see how Sora interprets subtle shifts. Finally, leverage Sora's capabilities for unique content by thinking beyond single, isolated scenes. Combine prompt elements to create narrative arcs, request transitions, implicitly by describing cause and effect for a truly professional touch. Consider how different shots might build upon each other to tell a story. Mastering these advanced techniques will allow you to push Sora AI to its absolute limits, generating not just videos, but compelling visual narratives that captivate and inspire. Start experimenting and unleash your inner AI pro.